the chairman of the Special Olympic Fiji Board, representatives of Fiji National Council of Disabled Persons, teachers, families and friends, our athletes, and not forgetting the ladies and gentlemen around here this morning. Bula Benaka, namaste, and good morning to you all. First of all, it gives me much pleasure to be amongst you this wonderful Friday morning, to be a part of these National Games of Athletes with Disabilities. I have committed myself to overseeing the development of sports in all its facets, and one such avenue is by being present at events, whether it be big or small, to show my support for the inroads that is being silently accomplished by all sporting bodies, as this allows me to also gauge how best government, through the Ministry of Youth and Sports, can contribute towards furthering your combined aspiration and accomplishment. As I stand here before you this morning, I want to tell you that what I see is magnificent. Magnificent because in my eyes, I see true warriors and champions seated here in this stadium this morning. The kind that is not made in a day, but through sheer commitment and hard work, and also for your burning spirit to participate at today's National Games. I'd like to think that everyone in this country, and perhaps the world, possesses this same spirit, but the sad reality is that not everyone shares in it, and I want to urge each and every athlete this morning, you are a shining light in the world that is one often filled with self-pity, self-denial, self-restraint, and negativity. Don't forget that you are gifted young athletes with the ability to achieve so much more with that very same spirit. They have proved it to us. They have won Olympic Games gold medals in Los Angeles in our Special Olympics. Government awarded each of the 9-member Team Fiji to this Special Olympic cash incentives. From the little that we can award them for the achievement they have given the nation so proud. So the immense appreciation of the achievements further to these two athletes that we heard this morning, Abdulin Tas and Molly Esther. They were compared the Order of Fiji medals by His Excellency the outgoing President of Fiji for the outstanding performance at the Special Olympics. And I know and I understand that you can make it through the games this morning, that one day you will be sitting down here with the gold medals around your neck. You see, athletes today, we know that you know what it takes to achieve victory in the face of adversity. Much like the 9-member Fiji team at the Special World Games in Los Angeles earlier this year. Against overwhelming odds, they managed to bring prestige and glory to our small nation, home of Fiji, by winning medals at this year's Special Olympics. If our 9-member team can do it this year, I hope that it will inspire more of you to do it, to set your goals for the next, and try your utmost best to stand alongside them comes the next Special Olympic Games. So as you partake in today's athletics events, football, cricket games, please remember that that you are playing in unity. Through your unified and playing your example, you are inviting the whole country to live unified too. The secret is simple. Don't compete with anyone but yourself. Just be your best. Impossible is a state of mind, and so too is the choice to embrace the power with you and shatter impossible. 1/200th of a second is less than a blink of an eye, but improve that much every day and the impossible comes true. Striving is what lifts the human spirit. Risking yourself without fear of failure is the heart of what we collectively aspire today. So therefore, play with openness, joy, because this is the soul of these national games. Today you have a chance. After all, each of us wants to pursue our dreams, to join our small lives to something bigger than ourselves, to play amongst the best of the best. So let's put aside your downtrodden thoughts. It's all in the mind. You have a big hearts and unite, for we are all Fijians, equal in all respects, because here and now there's only us and no them. It is us. This government is inclusive, and we don't say them, we say us. We are a nation full of dreams and abilities, but no disability, and that is our dignity and our identity. Before I conclude, please do bear in mind that you have the unwavering support of the government, and you will always be on hand to extend to you our backing should you ever need it. So today let us lead by playing unified and be living unified. We will be the best in sports and the best in life. And if anyone could ask you athletes about the real spirit of sports, raise your arms. Raise your arms in triumph and tell them clearly, I am an embodiment of the spirit of sports and I am a real champion. It now gives me much pleasure to open your 2015 National Games. Play strong, play long, play for the good victory, and play on. Nawalebu and namaste.
Were awarded Order of Fiji Medal. Esther Molly and Imtiaz. That is a big milestone.
Today we requested 20 for teams officials. I know some of us decided to go down to the control room, enter your athlete's name,